Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. It's been raining heavily in the past few days and I think it's the perfect weather for making porridge. Warm, hearty, lean meat and century egg porridge that is sure to warm the cockles of your heart. In this video, I'll be sharing my tips and tricks to getting silky smooth porridge that works every single time. Without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. First, let's introduce the ingredients. We have the most important ingredient, 250 grams of rice, washed. Now here's the trick to get silky smooth congee or porridge. Add about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it evenly with the rice. Then, cling wrap the rice and refrigerate it for about 3 hours or more. The cold will break down the starch during the 3 hours and this will ensure a smoother texture when boiling the congee later. This will work with any type of congee, not just this lean meat and century egg kind. Next, for the other ingredients, we have 400 grams of pork tenderloin. Cut them into large chunks. We don't have to keep them too small as we are going to break them up into tiny pieces later on after they get soft during the boiling process. Season the pork with about half a teaspoon of salt. Then, cover it with a cling wrap and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. We will now blanch the pork for about 3 minutes. Wash off the scum and impurities from the pork. This step will make sure that the pork doesn't cause any gamey taste in your congee later on. Put the pork back into the pot for cooking. Boil for at least 10 minutes first. In the meantime, let's go and cut up the century eggs into our desired shape. Then, chop up some spring onions for garnish. I know that some people will prefer garnishing using cilantro, that's also fine. After about 10 minutes of boiling the pork, add the prepared rice into the pot. Make sure that every single grain gets into the pot. Do not waste any of it. First, boil the rice at high heat for about 5 minutes. Then, we turn it to medium heat and cook it for at least 30 minutes. Remember, it must be at least 30 minutes long. Remember to add boiling water in between if the water level gets too low. You must check back about every 5 minutes and stir it, if not it will get burnt at the bottom. You do not want to get burnt porridge. For added flavour, we can also add 1 cube of chicken stock. If you prefer not to use chicken stock, you can also use salt, it's fine too. After 20 minutes, pick up the pork pieces. Mash up the pork into small pieces using either a fork or a spoon. After breaking them up finely, add the pork back and simmer for at least 10 minutes more. Now we can start seasoning the porridge. We will add about 1 teaspoon of salt. And also a dash of white pepper powder. Remember to taste and adjust the flavour to your own preference. I'm a big fan of spicier flavours, so I'm gonna add more white pepper powder. Then, add the century egg close to the end so that they will not disintegrate over the long boiling process. Now, before serving, you can also assess the consistency to make sure that it's what you like. If the porridge is too thick, you can add some boiling water and let it boil a little before serving. But for me, I think this consistency is just right and I'm gonna stop it here. And our porridge is ready to be served. Add some spring onions as garnish and we are done. This is so inviting and the congee smells absolutely amazing. It's so silky and I want to eat it right away. Try it today. And we have come to the end of today's episode. If you guys found it to be useful, please hit the like button to support us. It really means a lot to us. Subscribe to the channel for our weekly recipes. Follow us on Instagram to get updated on our latest activities. And I'll catch you in my next video.